Good morning, boys and girls. I bet you're surprised that Miss Vanetta's not here. Well, I'll be teaching you math today. First, we're going to start off with how many days we've been in school. Do you know how many days we've been in school? Let's count how many days we've been in school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. We've been in school for 8 days so far. Now we're going to get ready to count to 100. I love counting to 100. So why don't you guys count with me? So stand up and get ready to dance while we count to 100. Are you ready? All right. How great was that? But before we continue, we're going to count backwards from 20 to 1. So get ready to count with me. Are you ready? Follow along. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, boys and girls. Now I'm going to show you something. Does everyone know what this is? It's called a what? A number line, okay? And a number line works like this. It goes from 0 all the way to 20, then all the way back down to 0. But we're going to focus on a special number, and that's 5, okay? Do you guys know how to get to 5, how to count to 5? We go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? And here I have it. Here I have 5 in different ways. You can do it in what's called the 10 frame. You guys should know what that is. You can do it with the tallies, with dice. You can even have it in written form, using your fingers, or with cubes. So today we're going to learn how to write the number 5, okay? Are you guys ready? All right. So you're going to get your paper out. What page is it?
Do the video first.
Oh, the video. So we're going to have a video that I'm going to show you, and it's all about 5, okay? It's going to show you how to write 5.
Share your screen. Yeah. Click on the middle and share. Okay.
Hi there! I have lots of friends who live at the zoo, and they each have their own place to live. Click the windmill to see some of the animal pens. Hey, let's put numbers on my friends' pens. Then we can tell them apart. Click the first pen to get started. Alright, this pen gets the number 1. And this pen gets the number 2. And these pens get the numbers 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each pen has a number and a word. But how can we show the next number and word? First, we need to learn about counting and writing a number. Let's go find out.
Are you ready to practice counting and learn what the number 5 looks like? Let's count together. Select this counter to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 counters. Now let's look at 2 ways you might see the number 5 written. First, click the counters to see what 5 looks like as a number. This is what 5 looks like when it's written as a number. Next, let's see what 5 looks like when it's written as a word. This is the word 5. Try spelling it. F, I, V, E, 5. You're going to practice finding sets of 5. But first, click the 5 to see what a set of 5 looks like. Now count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 birds in this set. Now the tree is filled with birds. How many more sets of 5 can you find? Select each set of 5. That's right. That's a set of 5 birds. Do you see any more? Great job! You found all the sets with 5 birds. That's great counting. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Okay, guys. Now we're going to move on to our worksheet. I'm going to hit the lights for you guys. All right, here we go. We are going to learn how to write 5. We're going to write it as a number, and we're going to write it as a word, okay? So first, we're going to start here. Let's count our counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to write here. Over, down, and around. Guys, see that? We're going to try it again. Over, down, and around. Now we're going to write it here without the dashes, okay? So remember, over, down, and around. Again, over, down, and around. Over, down, and around. One more. Over, down, and around. Now that you've learned how to write it as a number, let's learn to write it as a word. So here we have the letter F, the letter I, don't forget your little dot, the letter V, and the letter E. And that's how you write 5 in word form. Now we're going to come here. You can count your apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's start here. Write 5 again. We're going to over, down, all around. Over, down, and all around. Over, down, and all around. Over, down, all around. Over, down, all around. Last one. Over, down, and all around. All right. Now we're going to flip our page over. Okay. Now we're going to count our apples again, and we're going to write 5 here again. So how many apples do you see? Would someone like to count them for me? Or you can count them with me. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job, guys. Let's go ahead and write the 5 up here in number form. Over, down, all around, over, down, all around, over, down, all around, over, down, and all around. All right. So you guys have figured out how to write 5 in number form. So now we're going to move down. We have a lot of apples up here. So now we're going to find where there are a set of 5 apples. Okay? So let's start off here. How many apples do we have here? Remember, we're looking for a group of 5 apples. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not 5. Let's move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's a group of 5. So we're going to circle the group of 5. Let's go here. 1, 2, 3. I don't think that's enough. That's not 5 either. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job. That's a group of 5. Let's move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's another group of 5. All right, great job. Now we're going to move on. Now we're going to count how many apples there are, and then we're going to write the number here. Okay? So let's start off here. How many apples do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are we going to write here? We're going to write the number 5. Over, down, and all around. Now we're going to move over here. Let's count the apples we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. So we're going to write the number 4. Okay. Now we're going to come here. Let's see how many apples we have here. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. Sorry. Now we're going to come here and count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. Let's write our number 5 here. The number 5. Okay. Now we're going to move on. Now we're on our next page. What's the directions for this? Okay. Okay. what we're going to do here is we're going to draw 5 rocks. So you're going to get out your crayon, whatever color you want, and you're going to draw 5 rocks. We're going to draw some pink rocks today. So we're going to draw a rock here. 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 And we're going to draw a rock here. Okay. Then we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So we're going to write the number 5. Just like that. Great job. Great job. Now we're going to move on down here. Now what you're going to do is, let's erase all of this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to count the seashells. The seashells. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many seashells do we have? Did we have 4 seashells? No, I don't think so. We had 5, correct. So you can shade it in or you can circle it. Great job, guys. Great job. Now we're going to move on to my favorite subject, which is science. I love science. And I have a video for you guys. Oh, an assignment. So, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the tools that we use when we're dealing with science and what we do. So, we have the word recycle. Can you say the word recycle? Here, let's find the picture that we think goes with the word recycle. Is it this picture? Is it this picture? Is it this picture? Or is it this picture? Very good. So, we're going to trace the word. Recycle. And now we're just going to X that word because we've already used it. No need to use it. Now we're going to go to the next word, which is computers. I love computers. Which picture shows you a computer? Let's narrow it down. Is it this one? Is it this one? It's this one. Very good. So we're going to we're going to copy it, trace it. And then we're going to X it out. We don't need it anymore. Let's go to the next one. A hand lens. A hand lens. A hand lens is a tool that you use to see things up close. Okay, so can you show me the picture where the hand lens is? Is it this one? Is it this one? Right, it's this one. So we're going to trace the word. And then we're going to X the picture out. On our last one, a balance measures mass. We have the word balance. Do you see the picture that shows a balance? Very good. This one right here. So we're going to trace it again. and then we're going to exit out. Very good, guys. That was a great science lesson. And that's going to conclude our lesson for today. I hope you guys enjoyed your time with me, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Have a good day.